6 minutes, 6 minutes.
They get fresh?
No.
Hi guys, it's SYNOLVE. How you guys doing? Well, I'm back for another video and I'm sharing my actual skincare routine. As you can see, I've been using these products up. And so I shared in a video the actual products, but I promised that I'd come back and actually share the routine. So I'm firstly out of the shower and I want to share with you all the things that I do in my routine. Let me hop in right quick because I wanted to share with you guys also what I do in the shower, and I've shared this before in a previous video, some of my products. I'm gonna link it below. I have switched up my routine. I promised you that I'd come back and share with you when I switched up my routine, which I did share, and then I'd share the actual routine. I am using this Equate scrub, which I love. It's the Clean and Clear exfoliating scrub, and I mix these two together, which the this is the apricot scrub. The beads are just smaller, and so if you can see, the beads are smaller than this jelly, and so the two together is the consistency that I really like. It's got a mixture of the big beads and the little beads together. Boom. Somebody come out with that product. Maybe I will. Anyway, the next thing that I use in the shower are these two. This is the Equate and the oil-free, the quick action, and then the oil-free. And so this one is has salicylic acid. This one has salicylic acid as well. They're both based on the Clean and Clear. And but before you can use retinol and all of that, I also use this. I know I've shared this in the video, but I love this. This is the tea tree from Dollar Tree. I love this, the tea tree with salicylic acid, and I'm definitely gonna take this on a travel. I gotta find a benzoyl peroxide to take on a travel too. All of these, let me just make sure I say this, all of these are from Walmart, okay? You can get the Equate brand or the Clean and Clear. I really like the Clean and Clear line, okay? And then this one, this scrub is the only one that comes from Target. I really like the Up brand. It's compared to St. Ives, so I really like that. But I share all about my scrubs, all of that in another video. This one is also compared to, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, Clean and Clear. Continuous action acne control cleanser, and there you go. It is benzoyl peroxide. It's 10%. So if you're going to be using your retinols, I'm sorry, here you go. If you're going to be using your retinol, you want to use benzoyl peroxide rather than salicylic acid. But what I do is I wash with my salicylic acid washes first, and then I end up round out with in the shower with the benzoyl peroxide, and then I do my this is my vitamin serum. I do that, okay? acid. And then once I let this sit, the retinol sit for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, then I do my hyaluronic acid. But you need to wet the face. I have a spray bottle that I used to use. I'm not using that anymore because now I just wet the face with the warm water, with the warm towel, with warm water, and you know, then I wet my face. Or if I'm washing dishes or cooking or something like that, like I'll put my retinol on and then I might go wash dishes or cook or do something else, and that's gonna, or I'll clean the shower out, and so then that's gonna continue to release, you know, continue to keep my pores open. So then after about that time, 15-20 minutes, I started cooking, washing dishes, or clean the shower out. It's about 10-15-20 minutes, and clean the bathroom down. Then I can do my hyaluronic acid. So that's kind of how my routine goes. Shared another product. That's my skin routine. I'm loving it. As y'all can see, it's getting a lot better. This really is not doing it justice, but it's so much lighter, y'all. It's so much lighter. Let me see if you can see. You see how it's kind of, it's really lighter, much lighter than what it was. And now when the breakouts come, they're not as sore. So I got a few coming, but they're not. They're sore, but they're not nearly as sore and irritated, inflamed like they were before. And usually, if they don't go away overnight, then give it 2 or 3 days and these are gone, right? The new bumps, any new things that crop up. And this is the last one that came, and you probably can see it's going away. It's just that I caught these later. Had I caught these much earlier, then, you know, they'd be lighter too. But they're leaving. I'm happy. I'm happy with the results. My daughter's using the Urban Skin RX, which you can get this at Sephora. I'll try to leave everything linked below, guys, in my Amazon store. Also, at night, I do the whole routine, right? And you don't have to, right? Because if you're going out in the day, you use retinol, you want to use some type of sunscreen, okay? You want to use some type of sunscreen, and there's Black's, I think it's Black Sunscreen. I think that's the name of it. I'll link it all below. So there are a lot of great sunscreens out there, which I put in my other video if you're going out. But at night, you can, this is optional. I just go ahead and feed my face again with the vitamin C, the B, and the E, and niacinamide. I just drop it on my face. And then I do my retinol. And then, of course, I wait 10 to 15 minutes. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Sometimes I be so tired. I be so tired. Oh, like, if I could just get it on my face, Lord, please. If I could just get it on my face, girl. If I could get it on my face, queen, and get into bed, that's what I do. I'm not gonna tell no, I ain't finna, I'm just saying. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll put it on and then, like, put my nightgown or something on. It's like, okay. And then just wash my hands and let the steam kind of come up, right? Because you got to wash your face again, do all that again before you apply, because you want to always apply to clean skin, always apply, even the early in the morning, right? So then at night, same thing again, wash your face, right? And I usually at night will only just use one, unless I feel like I need a scrub. If I got to take makeup off, of course, I'm gonna, you know, use my Vaseline to get that makeup off. And I'll probably do a scrub again. Okay, I'll probably do my scrubs again at night. And then wash it off, right, with my 2 cleansers, Clean and Clear, Equate, whatever brand you use. Target, both Walmart, all have great things. And then in with my benzoyl peroxide. And then, you know, I'm going into my into my serum. So this serum that I got from Dollar Tree, it's a multivitamin serum. And then I'm doing my retinol. And then this is the full, right? And letting it sit. And so when I come back in before I put it on, 15-20 minutes later or 5 minutes later, y'all, I'm just gonna be honest, then I'll kind of wash my hands, because our water in the sink at this where we are now gets really hot. And so I'll just kind of put my face down over steam, and then I'll apply my hyaluronic acid. Then by the time I get back into the bedroom, right, I'm applying this which is my double night serum. All right, okay, so all right guys, hope you're enjoying this series on my skincare routine. I hope you're enjoying my updated skincare routine. It really is getting a lot better, and the soreness is gone, because these things are so sore. I forgot what they're called. Are they pustules, or it's another word? But anyway, when they're so deep into the skin, yeah. And it's glowing. My face is just really glowing, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Getting back to my old self, my old skin. All right, guys, love the skin you're in. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed that. I've got more videos right up there, so click, and you can see the other videos that I have as well. Okay, on my skincare, and I'll leave everything linked, everything in the Amazon store, so you can check it out.